Welcome to Arts and Crafts with Miss Erin. Today we're going to be making Play-Doh. The things you need can be found around the kitchen. A large bowl, some measuring cups, and a cup for water, as well as flour, salt, some oil, and food coloring. For the first step, we're going to add 1 cup of flour to our bowl, followed by a 1/4 cup of salt. Just mix these 2 ingredients together until it's combined and then set aside. The next step is to fill up your cup with some water, and then we're going to add our food coloring. You can choose any color you like. Today I chose to do 3 drops of blue, followed by 2 drops of red. All you need to do is add your colors and mix it up. Now that we have both our salt and flour mixture as well as our color mixture, we're going to add the water a little bit at a time into the flour, stirring in between. Now that we've added our water to the flour, we're going to mix it up really well. Should look like what I have here. Next, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of oil and continue to mix. After mixing in the oil really well, we're going to test our Play-Doh to see if it's too dry or too wet. Here you can tell it's too wet because it's sticking to my fingers. So to fix that, I'm just going to sprinkle in some more flour and mix it all together with my hands. Since you can see the dough keeps sticking to my hands, I'm going to keep adding in a little bit more flour and mixing it in with my hands, kneading the dough so the flour becomes well incorporated. Once I'm happy that the dough isn't sticking to my hands too much, I'm going to take it out of the bowl and place it on the counter. While I have it on the counter, I'm going to continue to knead the dough. This is going to help make sure it's nice and smooth and also a bit stretchy. You don't need to knead the dough for any set amount of time, just until you're happy that it's not too sticky. If it keeps sticking around a little bit, I suggest adding some flour to your hands or adding a little bit extra flour to the dough and mix it up. Once you're happy with the texture of your dough, and it's not too sticky or not too dry, you can finish kneading, and you're pretty much done at this point. Kneading the dough not only makes all the ingredients come together better, it also gives you a really nice stretch to your Play-Doh. Now that we're done kneading, we're ready to play with our Play-Doh. And to put it away, all you need to do is put it in a sealable bag. Thanks so much for watching, friends. See you next time.